The future of U.S. airlines hangs in the balance, and the Airbus A321XLR is the game changer they've been waiting for. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this aircraft the ultimate solution, or are airlines jumping the gun by betting big on it? Let's dive in. For years, U.S. carriers have grappled with a perfect storm of challenges: aging fleets, the retirement of workhorse planes like the Boeing 757 and 767, and skyrocketing demand for long, thin point-to-point routes. Enter the Airbus A321XLR, a single-aisle aircraft that promises to bridge the gap between long-haul range and narrow-body economics. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution, and airlines like American, United, and JetBlue are counting on it to reshape their networks. And this is the part most people miss: the A321XLR isn't just filling a void, it's creating a new category of flying. Traditionally, long-haul routes were the domain of larger, less efficient wide-body jets. But with the XLR's 4,700 nautical mile range, wide-body-style cabins, and exceptional fuel efficiency, airlines can now profitably serve secondary city pairs that were once off-limits. Think connecting smaller U.S. cities directly to European destinations or opening up new routes to South America, all at a fraction of the cost. This shift is a game-changer for network planning. Passengers increasingly prefer direct flights over layovers, and airlines are eager to oblige. The XLR's flexibility allows carriers to expand their point-to-point networks, offering more convenience while slashing operational costs. But here's the kicker: can Boeing catch up? Their potential competitor, the NMA or 797, remains a concept, leaving Airbus to dominate the mid-market space. Here's where it gets even more intriguing: the A321XLR isn't just about range and efficiency. It's about passenger experience. With lie-flat business-class seats, modern cabins, and long-haul amenities, it delivers a premium experience in a single-aisle frame. American Airlines, for instance, is already planning to outfit its XLRs with 20 flagship business seats and 12 premium economy seats, a level of luxury typically reserved for wide-bodies. This means airlines can now match premium demand on thinner routes without oversizing their aircraft. But is this too good to be true? Some argue that the XLR's success hinges on Airbus's ability to ramp up production quickly. With summer transatlantic demand surging, every delay costs airlines millions. And while the XLR seems like the perfect solution, Boeing's absence in this market raises questions. Will they eventually step up, or has Airbus already won the mid-market battle? Here's the burning question for you: is the A321XLR the future of aviation, or is the industry placing too much hope in a single aircraft? Share your thoughts in the comments, let's spark a debate.